Hi, my name is Boris, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how to make noise sweep effects with Ableton's operator super easily. Let's just give it a quick listen. This is what we're going to make today. Now, before we get into the details, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more Ableton Live tips like this one, and let's dive in. So I'm just going to drop a brand new instance of operator onto a new MIDI track. This is what the initialized patch sounds like. It's a sine wave. We want to choose the white noise. And the next thing you want to do is select the bandpass filter. And when you move the frequency knob, you already have a sweep. So you can create something like this in seconds. You can also mess around with the resonance. To make it stand out a little bit more, if you want to remove a little bit of that low end. When the frequency is down, you can choose the auto filter and have a high pass curve and do something like this. So now when we're playing these low, muddy, noisy frequencies, we are just removing them with our 12 dB high pass curve. Something helpful is reverb on stuff like this. So you can put the default patch of reverb. Maybe let's choose the high mode and drag a little bit down the dry wet and increase the decay time. And we already have a really cool effect. Now, to make things easier, you can also group this, Command G or Control G on Windows, and add a macro to the frequency and remove the other macros by clicking the minus. And that's it. You can save it and use it whenever you want to add a white noise filter sweep. Now, a slight issue with this is that we are not actually playing very high noisy frequencies here because of the filter and operator. And if we disable this, we can actually do something similar with auto filter, and it allows a little bit more of these high frequencies. So maybe clicking the M and removing our macro, and I'm going to add another auto filter here after the operator, and let's choose the bandpass as well, 24 dB curve, slightly increasing the resonance. And when we now move the frequency knob, you will hear that it goes up to very high frequencies. So if you're after the sizzly, really high, really bright frequencies, you can use the auto filter. And the same way, you can just map the frequency knob to the macro. And to me, this sounds a little bit better. That's it. This is really simple. Creating effects with Ableton's operator and white noise. It's really fun and really fast. Thank you guys very much for watching. Consider checking out our Music Production Academy. We've got start to finish courses on there for both beginners and more advanced producers. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like and comment if you liked this video, and I will see you in the next ones.
If you find these type of videos helpful, we can highly recommend the PML Academy with over 35 full-length online courses, spreading over topics like writing chords and melodies or arranging your songs to producing entire songs from start to finish. So check out the link in the description to see what's inside the All Courses bundle exactly.